Telegram just dropped a massive iOS update, and it's packed with powerful features. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for all tech. Telegram rolled out a flashy new update that'll turn your ordinary chats into a full-blown creator playground and productivity powerhouse. The star of the show is live streams inside Telegram stories. Yes, creators can now go live straight from their stories, and viewers can jump in with real-time comments thanks to the new live chat feature. Whether it's Q&As, Hangouts, or quick announcements, Telegram is clearly coming for Instagram and TikTok's crowd. And that's not all. Telegram has also opened the door for viewers to support their favorite creators using Telegram Stars, a tool that makes comments stand out during live sessions. With 4 story privacy levels ranging from everyone, my contacts, close friends, and selected users get full control over who sees what. It also has something always wanted, like repeating scheduled messages and reminders. Want to repeat a message daily, twice a month, every week? Done. Just tap and hold the send button, hit repeat, and pick your timing. It's perfect for automation lovers and forgetful texters. Telegram gifts got a glow up too, and now they'll be sold through auctions to ensure fair distribution. No more rushing against bots or missing out on special items. Finally, the app gets a makeover for iOS with more liquid glass interface elements inspired by iOS 26, redesigned profiles, a cleaner settings menu, and a sleek new attachment tray. The whole platform feels fresher and more futuristic. With all these new upgrades, Telegram isn't just a messaging app now, it's your all-in-one social hub. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.